Today, I am reviewing HP 2025 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 2025 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a remarkable machine designed to meet the needs of both students and business professionals who demand speed, reliability, and modern features in one sleek package. At the heart of this laptop is the powerful Intel i3-1315U processor, featuring 6 cores and turbo boost technology up to 4.5 GHz, which ensures smooth multitasking, fast application launches, and an overall responsive experience. With this kind of performance, whether you are handling complex spreadsheets, running multiple applications at once, or streaming content, you'll notice the efficiency and speed immediately. What sets this HP laptop apart is its massive 64GB DDR4 RAM, paired with an incredible 2TB PCIe SSD, giving you more than enough memory and storage for demanding tasks and large files. Programs launch in an instant, file transfers happen seamlessly, and overall performance remains fluid even under heavy workloads. For anyone who works with large documents, media files, or data-intensive applications, this combination of RAM and SSD is a game-changer. The 15.6-inch HD Plus touchscreen brings a truly interactive experience. The micro-edge BrightView display with anti-glare coating ensures that visuals are crisp and clear, reducing strain during long hours of use. The touchscreen capability allows you to zoom, swipe, and interact with your applications naturally, making it ideal for students who prefer a hands-on approach, as well as professionals who want a flexible workflow. The screen's design also supports multi-monitor setups seamlessly, giving you more workspace and an immersive viewing experience. Connectivity and versatility are key strengths of the HP 2025. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, you enjoy faster, more reliable connections whether you are in a coffee shop, classroom, or office. The laptop also features an HDMI port, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, and a headphone jack, making it easy to connect external monitors, peripherals, or accessories. Video calls are enhanced by the HP True Vision HD camera, providing clear images even in low-light conditions, along with dual-array microphones for crisp audio. Another standout feature is the Windows 11 Pro operating system with Copilot AI. This intelligent assistant helps you organize tasks, find relevant solutions, and even kickstart projects with ease. Whether you're a student trying to manage assignments or a professional looking to increase productivity, the Copilot AI key is a convenient tool that simplifies complex tasks and streamlines your workflow. HP has also prioritized convenience with fast charging technology, allowing the laptop to charge from 0 to 50% in just about 45 minutes, which is perfect for busy schedules or on-the-go use. The laptop is lightweight, weighing only around 3.75 pounds, making it portable without sacrificing performance. Its numeric keypad, ergonomic keyboard design, and long battery life, which can last up to 10.75 hours, make it a reliable companion throughout the day. In terms of design, the HP 2025 sports a sleek silver chassis with a modern and professional look. It's slim, portable, and durable, making it ideal for anyone who needs a laptop that looks as good as it performs. Whether you're studying, working from home, or attending online meetings, this laptop meets your needs effortlessly. Overall, the HP 2025 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a powerhouse built for efficiency, multitasking, and modern productivity. With 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD, fast charging, touchscreen capability, and AI-powered Copilot, it is designed to save time, boost productivity, and enhance the computing experience. This laptop is truly a perfect choice for students, business users, and anyone looking for a high-performance, reliable, and versatile machine in 2025.